In this video, we're going to look at investment applications. Specifically, we'll look at what savings accounts are, and we'll look at a couple of examples of how to calculate interest on a savings account. In another video, we'll look at term deposits. Savings accounts are specific types of investments. They're the most common type of investment. Savings accounts are used to earn interest on savings. Some savings accounts charge fees, some don't. Generally, if you deposit a certain amount of your savings into the account each month, the bank won't charge you any fees. Interest is calculated daily on the balance of the account, but paid monthly. You may receive rewards, like I said before. If you deposit over a certain amount into your savings account each month, the bank won't charge you any fees. They may also give you a higher interest rate for regular deposits, or for a higher balance. There are limits on the withdrawals. If you withdraw funds, you may lose some or all of the interest earned for the month. Let's look at an example. Grace has a savings account which pays 3.1% per annum interest. Calculate the interest earned for the month of May, given the transactions shown in the table here. Since withdrawals and deposits are made throughout the month, we cannot calculate interest as we have done in the past. We need to break the period down into the number of days with the same balance. The first period is 9 days. Generally, we count up the day before the next transaction, which is the 10th of May. I've seen some examples include the next day, but this will depend on the context. You have to be careful when calculating across months to ensure you include the correct number of days. To calculate the interest, we use the simple interest formula. P is the balance, I is the interest rate as a decimal, and N is the fraction of the year, i.e. the number of days. The interest is usually pretty small. The first one is 33 cents here. Then Grace deposits another $2,380. The next period is from and including 10th of May to 24th of May. There's 15 days. P, or the balance, becomes $2,810.25 and $3.58 interest is earned. Then Grace withdraws $800. The next period is from and including 25th of May to the 31st of May. There's 7 days and the balance is $2,010.25 and $1.20 interest is earned. If we add up all of the daily amounts, Grace earns $5.11 interest for the month of May. Let's look at another example. This time the bank pays a higher interest rate for a higher account balance as an incentive to keep your savings with them. Again, we need to break the periods down into the number of days. The opening balance is $800.75. The first period is 6 days. Again, to calculate the interest, we use the simple interest formula. P is the balance, I is the interest rate as a decimal, and N is the fraction of a year, which is your days divided by 365. This time you must pick the correct interest rate based on the balance. The balance of the account is above $500 for the first period, so we use 1% or 0.01 as a decimal. The first period earns 13 cents. Then you withdraw $350.75. The balance is $450, which is below $500, so you earn 0.5%, totaling 9 cents interest for this period. Finally, you deposit $402.10. The period is 11 days. P, or the balance, becomes $852.10. You earn 26 cents interest. If we add up all of the daily amounts, we earn 48 cents during the month. And that's it for this video. Thank you.